Brad Hall here. With me today, the Yeezy 500 High Tyrian. I'm gonna tell you all about this shoe, and then if you're planning on making a lace swap, I've got some tips for you. Stick around. This colorway of the 500 High, the Tyrian colorway, it's got a really rugged look to it. Kind of looks like a shoe that you would want to take on a hike. The suede is a rich, deep brown color, and it's got a nice little texture to it. The roundish shapes on the side are made of that neoprene material that we've seen on the previous 500 High and that 500 Stone colorway. Rounding out the upper on this shoe, you've got these little leather pieces. Those are tumbled, so you've got quite a mix of textures on this shoe. I was intrigued by the color choice on this model. You've got the dark brown, you've got this bluish purple, then you've got black, and you've got almost like a slate color on this midsole and sole. So a lot of dark colors, and they actually go really well together. And then of course this is a 500, so you are gonna get a lot of interesting shapes and a lot of interesting lines. The most interesting thing going on with this shoe is that it comes with this extra set of laces. Now that might not sound interesting at first, but bear with me. The set of laces that comes on the shoe, that is this bungee lace. We've seen this lace on the recent 700 MNVN, and then based on early photos of upcoming 350 V2 colorways, it looks like those are gonna feature this lace too. So the interesting thing about this lace situation, this bungee lace, it's a continuous lace. So if you wanna remove it and use the standard set of laces, you actually have to cut the lace off. Now I was gonna remove the bungee lace for you. I thought for sure I preferred the traditional lace. I just couldn't do it though. I do like how unique the bungee lace is. So this got me thinking, is there any way to swap the laces without ruining the bungee lace so you can go back and forth, pick and choose as you please? I think I came up with the perfect way of doing that. It's really simple. All you have to do is cut the upper around the laces. Then you're gonna build a second upper. You can just use fabric that's lying around your house. In that second upper, you wanna put the traditional lace. So you've got two upper pieces, the bungee lace piece and the traditional lace piece. Now all you have to do is add a zipper. The zipper makes it possible to swap out the two laces as you please, and it looks pretty good too. So that was my show for today. Some really good tips for you, and thanks so much for watching.